Here we come to the elevator at Knights Inn in College Station, Texas. It's an older Otis Series 1. Oh, look at that interlock. It's like literally in the middle of the elevator car. Wow. One. I'm starting the video from the second floor because look at the first floor call station. See, look at that. Call button's completely butchered badly. Indicator is completely burnt out too. All right, I might go for one more ride. Okay, we're not going anywhere. Look at both the door open, door close button, they're all gone. Okay. There we go. You know what, we're gonna go ahead and exit off on the first floor. I literally almost got stuck in this thing. I mean, look at this thing. Lantern is missing. Some of the buttons are gone as well. And no phone either? Does the sensor work? My gosh, this thing... I've never seen an elevator this badly butchered before. I mean, look at the call station. It's like literally gone. Missing call station. I mean, they seriously need to replace some of the pieces here. I mean, being in a motel, what do you expect? But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.